In this video I will show you how to download, how to delete Telegram account, how to delete your Telegram account. Let's go right on the point. Before going forward the video, if you're new on this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Don't forget to share to any of your friends. So let's go in forward the video. For doing that, get in your Telegram account. As you can see on the screen right now, you click on this left side on the screen. Try to get in the setting. Once reach on this page, select the line privacy and security. Once on this new menu, try to scroll up like this, and here is the line delete my account. So as you can see, if you want to delete your account on Telegram, you have to set a time or a period of time that your account will be completely deleted from the platform. So try to set the month that you would like, the period of the time that you would like that your account be deleted. So once doing that, I think that automatically when that month will reach, your account will be automatically deleted on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.